Hi everyone, this is Erin here from snailmailersRus. I'm going to show you how to use the envelope punch board by We Are Memory Keepers. Over to the side on the board are the directions. Step 1, you need to select your card size. That would be whatever size envelope you are wanting to make. The charts here are on the board. In the right hand column of each of the 3 columns is the card size. That would be what size envelope you would want to make. Then you're going to need to trim your paper to the correct size. So you'll need to look back at the column. In the middle line of each column is the paper size. You want to choose the correct paper size to match the size envelope that you're trying to make. Up here on the top of the board is your measurements for your scoring line. Once you have your paper cut to the correct size, you're ready to punch and score. I already have my paper pre-cut that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be making the standard A6 card size. So my paper is cut to measure at 8 7/8 by 8 7/8. If you look at the chart here, down on the A6 size, it tells me that I should score at 3 3/4. So I take my paper, and I like to use the white side, it's easier to see. I scored it at 3 3/4, make my line, turn the paper, you align it to your score line. Don't put it back at 3 3/4. Only use the scoring line. You just keep punching and scoring until you've done every side. Once you have every side done, you're ready to fold your envelope. You just fold each side at the scoring line. Use the scoring tool to get a good fold. Once you have all of your sides folded, you want to look at it to make sure you have it the right direction. Then you're going to want to seal it shut. I like to use an adhesive roller. You just put a little on each of the side flaps. Then fold your bottom flap up, press, and make sure that it's sealed. And there it is. You have a completed envelope. Thanks for watching.